Hello students, hope you are good. Today we're going to discuss HTML5 series, continuation of HTML5 series. Okay, so let's uh, start this more to the topic. Okay, this is the first topic of 12th. Okay, so, this is for science as well as for commerce student. Last time हमने वीडियो देखा था उसमें हमने सीखा HTML, HTML5 concepts, right? ये सब हमने सीखा है. आज हम सीखने जा रहे हैं HTML5 का use advanced web designing. So our topic name is first topic advanced web designing. Okay. So see, we can introduce basic terminology related to creation of web pages. You know about HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Uh, is an evolving language with HTML5 specification, right? Different type of tag behavior. HTML5 is currently used because it supports mobile technology. The major browsers are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, etc. Supports this latest browser supports this type of HTML5 concept. Okay, forms in HTML5. Let's discuss about forms. In 11th standard, we have studied different controls related to form like text, radio, checkbox, submit, reset, select, text area. There are lots of control to make application form. These controls are used to collect different kinds of user input such as contact details like name, address, as well as multiple options from a group of options, as well as clearing and submitting data, etc. HTML5 has introduced additional form controls which can also be used for validation purpose. So this is the main concept, validation purpose. It's a feature of HTML5. Validation means to check. Okay, validation क्या होता है? चेक करना होता है वैल्यू को, whether it is valid or not. Okay, whether entered value is proper or not, which is nothing but validation part. Okay, so HTML5 has introduced additional form control which can also be used for validation purpose. Yes. Now HTML5 advanced input element. What there is an input tag to accept input. Okay, within opening and closing form tag. Okay, ये हमने ऑलरेडी सीखा है कि फॉर्म को कैसे यूज करना है. अभी हम सीखने वाले हैं डिफरेंट एडवांस एलिमेंट्स. ओके, HTML5 में एक्स्ट्रा क्या है वो हम सीखने वाले हैं. इनपुट टाइप, राइट? So there are lots of input types. First input type name is color. Okay, type is attribute. See here, type is attribute and color is its value, right? What is the purpose of this? To define a color picker, which is very simple. You know what this is? Notepad. Notepad is a text editor type of application. We require particular fixed structure. Okay, HTML structure. You know about first. Again, we starting from um, first tag. Okay, first tag exclamatory mark doc type type HTML. Right now, main tag HTML tag. Next tag name is head tag. Okay. Next title tag. You can apply any name like HTML5 concept. Close title tag. Okay. Close head. Next tag after head body tag. Inside body close HTML. Okay. So this is a sequence. लास्ट टाइम हमने ये रिवाइज किया है पिछले वीडियो में. अभी हम देखने वाले हाउ टू यूज फॉर्म, ओके, एंड इट्स एलिमेंट्स. सो ये जो नए एलिमेंट्स है, लाइक कलर एलिमेंट, लाइक डेट एलिमेंट एक्सेट्रा, वो हम कैसे यूज कर रहे हैं देखो. अभी फॉर्म में F1, okay. Form is a main tag to add its elements, okay. It is a main object, okay. Then type, like choose color or enter color, choose, better choose, okay. So okay, so choose color, okay, color. Use input type is equal to color itself, color, okay. That's it. If I save this document, you know what extension of HTML5? It's a .html, correct? .html or .htm, okay. We're going to store proper in proper destination here, okay. Sure, we'll make proper folder for this. You can say HTML5 PRG programs, okay. Here program number one, program one dot html. Html here. Html is a extension of HTML5. Remember this. And program one is it's a file name, okay. So just save it. Now execute the same. We need to go HTML5 PRG. Just double click. This is a, this is a, just thumbnail icon. So this is a Firefox icon, okay. Just double click on that. It will display exactly output, okay. See how it's look like. Choose color, and this is a default color in that color picker. This is a black, okay. It shows color picker to the user, okay. So this is a benefit, okay. You can choose any color, like blue color, and this. I just click on OK. Okay. So this is the one of the element of in HTML5, okay. Define a color picker. Now next is a input type is equal to number. Instead of or we can add another element like this br and enter number, okay. Enter number, enter marks. You can write anything inside, okay. Type is equal to number. Remember this, when you set as a number type, then we only enter number. We cannot enter any alphabet, okay. See, we cannot enter any type of we can enter, but which is a it shows red lines, okay. It shows not a valid, okay, indicate to the user, okay. So number is the proper format. If I enter 100, then see, so this is a type of validation, okay. See, validation purpose, use for validation purpose. HTML5 has introduced additional form controls which can also be used for validation purpose, okay. So this is the main point. So you can able to increase or decrease by clicking on upper or down arrow, okay. Increment by 1, decrement by 1, right. Now another type is URL. It is used to define the field for entering a URL. Okay, your address, it require protocol name, colon symbol. Okay, so URL means proper uh, site name. Okay, directory name. If there is a proper values, then it surely defines for perfectly. Okay, URL एक वैल्यू है, इमेज एक वैल्यू है, डेट वैल्यू है, ईमेल है, ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं इनपुट टाइप में, राइट. नाउ इमेज, डिफाइन एन इमेज एज अ सबमिट बटन. सबमिट बटन तो आपको सबको पता होगा कि हम कैसे यूज करते हैं. Submit button is used to submit details to the server. Okay, transfer details to the server. Okay, instead of simple button, you can place proper image on particular this button. Okay, now input type is equal to date. Defines date picker with year, month, and day. Input type equal to email. Define a field for an email address. Okay, I will show. I have one example. Okay, let me check. Where's the programs? Okay, basic elements, right? See, I will show you how to use such type of elements in form. See, this is a, you know about, this is a color picker, correct? Now next part is entering numbers, number type. Next is URL. Okay, it require to enter proper URL address inside it. This is a image control, image button, submit button. Okay, treated as a submit button. Now next part is this image, then a date. Okay, defines date picker with the year, month, and day. So in this output, it shows MMDDYY format. Okay, month, date, and four digits. Okay, 4 times Y. Now enter your email ID. Okay, enter email ID in that box. Then select month. Remember this few elements not working properly on this proper browser. This browser name is Mozilla Firefox. If I copy it, okay, and if I execute on another browser, that is a Google Chrome, then what happened? See, select month. Here we can choose calendar type of country. Okay, so this is a Chrome specifications. Okay, HTML5 supports on latest browsers as well as latest updated versions. Okay, the main thing is updated version. See, select month. This is a simple box, but this is shows like this. Okay, if I click on that, then display calendar part. Okay, so better way to execute on this Chrome browser. Okay, Google Chrome is one of the browser. Okay, who supports is updated, that's why it shows exact elements, okay, to the user. So now range control, okay, and then date and time, set weeks, search control to search anything on a particular page. Okay, uh, file upload, when you click on that, then displays to select, to browse any type of file from your local machine. Okay, then last is contact, entering contact details. So this is about different type of elements. Okay, all this covered in that page. Okay, See, values like file, values like tel means telephone. Okay, choose color. Okay, color.